of DMs about this hairstyle, and I thought, you know what, let me do a video on it. So I've used a couple of different products throughout the video, but the main product that helped to get this curl is the Conair. The one that I have here is the 1 in 10 sets. It comes in different sizes. You've got the small, medium, and the large curler, which also comes with this stainless steel clipper, I think. It's just to help to keep the curls stay there, so it comes along with this. The Conair comes in multiple different curling sets. If I'm not mistaken, other than the 10, they have the 20 and also the 30, if I'm not mistaken, or the small and large. I got the smaller one because it's easy for me to travel with. I can just put it in my bag and I don't need to worry about it taking a lot of space. And it's so easy. I've been enjoying curling with this because it saves me a lot of time. So I can just curl my hair, do my makeup, take it out, and then, curl the other side and then continue my makeup. And by the time I'm done with my makeup, my hair is done as well. So it's like really perfect for me. It's pretty much the style that I've been going up with lately, and I've been loving it because it's just so simple, so effortless, but yet still elegant. So I really hope you liked the video, and if you would like to see any other recreation or any other looks that you would like me to do, just comment below. If you like it, click the button like and also share it, and do subscribe to my channel. Till the next video.